My name is Abdel Nasser Shire. I'm from Canada. Well, ILAJAK, I was doing my research while I was in Turkey, and I went through a lot of places that do hair transplant. So ILAJAK was the one that I liked most because of the information that they gave me, and the price and everything was lined up together. So eventually I came to ILAJAK. When I came here right away, I was welcomed on the phone because I'm an English speaker. I instantly connected with a person who speaks English, and the process was good. Transportation was excellent. They picked me up from my residence, my apartment. When I came to the doctor, everything was explained to me. The doctor was very nice. She explained everything to me, how the procedure will go, how many grafts I needed, all of that. I felt very comfortable, and there was no problems at all. And I felt very comfortable at home, and it was amazing. It was a great experience. The drivers, they were always on time, very friendly. The consultants gave me all the information that I needed, and the doctor also as well, she was very nice. She explained it to me very calm way, and she gave me like a lot of safety, security, that I felt safe with her. So consultants were great, drivers are great, doctor was great. Yeah, I feel that it was professional. I feel that it's very professional. When they were putting the grafts into my head, the guys were very friendly, they were calming me down. So I feel that it was professionally done. 100% I'm going to recommend ILAJAK to my friends, my family, anybody who needs treatment in Turkey. They have my support, and I will recommend them to ILAJAK. To ILAJAK, I would like to say thank you very much. I appreciate the service you did for me. You helped me a lot. I'm very satisfied with the work that ILAJAK did for me, and hopefully I will continue to use ILAJAK in case I need more medical care in Turkey.